Keyboard Reviewer Guide. Introduction to the keyboard. The computer keyboard is one of the main input devices used to type letters, numbers, and symbols. It's important to become familiar with its different parts to type effectively and efficiently. Key areas of the keyboard. Alphanumeric keys. These are most commonly used keys that include the letters A to Z, numbers 0 to 9, and symbols. Function keys located at the top, F1 to F2. These keys have special functions, often used in combination with the other keys. Modifier key shift, used to type capital letters or access symbols on number keys. Control, CTRL, and Alt alternate use in combination with other keys for shortcut. Navigation keys includes the arrow keys home and page up and page down used to move the cursor or screen view. Numeric keypad often found in the right side. These keys are arranged like a calculator for quick numbers entry. We have escape, shift, tab, CTRL, Windows, Alt, space, backspace, enter, delete, number. Escape, shift, tab, CTRL, control, Windows, Alt, space, backspace, enter, delete, numbers. Escape here, the shift key in this area, tab here, CTRL here, Windows, Alt, backspace, space, backspace, enter, delete, number, caps lock. This one, caps lock. Okay, don't forget, this is the caps lock.